In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link or add a debit card to your Gumroad account. Whether you're new to Gumroad or simply seeking to update your payment settings, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Gumroad website. Once there, the next step is to log into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on that. If you use Google to sign in, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account associated with your Gumroad profile and you'll be on your way. Now, with our account accessed, our next destination is the settings page. To find this, locate and click on the icon or text labeled dashboard, and you might already see settings there. This is where we'll manage our payment details, so click on it to proceed. Next, you'll be greeted with various settings options. Our focus today is on the payment settings, so locate and click on the Payments tab. This is a crucial area because it allows you to ensure that your financial information is correctly updated and protected. Now it's time to input your bank details. Be sure to have your debit card and bank information handy. You'll be required to enter details like the card number, expiry date, and other relevant bank information. Take your time to enter these details carefully to avoid any errors that might cause payment issues later on. Review everything one last time to ensure accuracy. Once confident that all the information is correct, the final step is to click on Update Settings. This action will save all the changes you've made. And that's it! You've successfully linked or added a debit card to your Gumroad account. Should you encounter any issues, Gumroad's customer support is available to help guide you through any challenges you might face. Remember, keeping your payment information up to date is imperative for smooth operations, whether you're selling products or purchasing content. I hope you found this video helpful and that your Gumroad account is now ready to go with your updated payment details. Thank you so much for watching. If this video assisted you, please like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. See you in the next video.